Hi guys, Mr. Shear here, and I wanted to walk you a little bit through your textbook to make sure that you guys are utilizing your textbook and that you feel comfortable using your digital textbook if that's the route you go. I want to remind you that if you prefer using your physical book, you can call Conway Middle School or email Susie at the main office of Conway Middle School, and she can help you get into the school and grab your actual textbook if you prefer that. However, this is just a short tutorial to walk you through some of the features of your textbook online. What you're looking at is my login screen. It is different than your login screen. I've got both a teacher edition and a student edition. I'm going to go into the student edition, which should be what you see when you log into your book. My login screen looks like this. What I'm looking for to launch the book is ebook. It is this icon right here for me. I believe it's something similar to you. If you click on it, it'll take you into the cloud reader, which will take you to your actual textbook. A couple features of this textbook that are helpful is right down here in the bottom middle of this page, this block allows you just to click on one page rather than two. And this block right up here, these arrows allow you to enlarge the screen, makes it way easier to read. To trade from page to page, to go to the next page, you click on the arrows to the right and to the left. So if I want to go to page 747, I just click on the arrows. If I want to jump to a page, I go down to this box, bottom middle, type in the page number I want, and just hit enter. And it should take you right to the page that you're looking for. There is a glossary of terms. You can click on that and it'll take you to definitions. There is also an index that tells you how to jump from page to page on different topics. I don't know that you'll use either of those very much. Back at the main screen of your book, there's a couple ways to access some online tutors and some extra resources. One is by going to the menu and going to resources. If you click on resources, it'll take you to these drop-down bars on your left-hand side. We are currently in Chapter 10, Volume and Surface, Lesson 2, Volumes of a Triangular Prism. If I wanted to jump to a different chapter, I just do the drop-down, and I can go to any chapter I like. Once I'm in that chapter, I can click on the lesson, and I can go to whatever lessons I like. We tend not to do any of this stuff like the inquiry labs, the mid-chapter checks, the PSIs. We don't do any of those. We tend to just do the lessons. Once I'm on this screen, I can also jump down to worksheets. This is where I get a lot of the worksheets that we do. I can jump down to, by going back to all resources, I can get the whole screen of options again. I can jump to tutors. And that's just another way of explaining what my slideshow often explains, but it's just another version. There's also a Spanish version to explain the concepts that the book's trying to get across. All right, so again, I find it easiest for me personally to use the physical textbook, which again, you guys are welcome to go get. I want to say it here, and it's also said in the other slideshow, but you're more than welcome on these problems to use a calculator. There should be a calculator application in whatever Chromebook or laptop you're using. But if you really don't have access to a calculator, please let me know and we'll figure something out. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're safe. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.